Welcome back to my channel. Maybe if you noticed, I changed the name of my channel from Meraki Curls to Lazy Naturals Club because I'm totally a lazy natural. I don't really do hairstyles like this. I really don't even do my hair that often except for moisturizing it. So I really hope that you all like this video. I'm going to be coming in and out of the video doing a voiceover just for parts that I think may be a little bit confusing to y'all. And I'll try to clear it up as we go. So yeah, subscribe and let me know how you like it. Thanks. As you can see here, I was using water and Cantu. I also used Jamaican black castor oil as a sealant, and I used gel just so the style would last a little bit longer. It really doesn't matter what kind of gel you use, that's just what I had on hand. In case you couldn't tell, I did 2 twists on the outside, 2 braids on the inside. You can change it up, do 2 braids, 2 twists. You can do all braids, all twists. It doesn't matter, whatever you would like to do. This part may be a little confusing, and I hope that I didn't make it too fast for you guys. All that I did was part my hair down the middle, and then I made 3 separate parts on each side. I did the same thing as adding the Cantu and the gel just so that these parts would stay clean and looking fresh for as long as I decided to keep the style, which was only a couple of days. So that is how it looked at the end. On this part here, I'm just detangling a little bit more, and then I'm gonna take those 2 front pieces and they're gonna cross over to the other side. In case you don't want to use that many rubber bands, you can always go section by section. So what I mean by that is you first part the first 2, you put rubber bands on those, and then when you're going to add your rubber band on the second piece like I'm doing now, you can always just use that rubber band as holding them together and for that section, if that makes sense. Pretty much you don't have to use that many rubber bands if you don't want to, because it will give you a headache if you do them tightly or if you have too many. And plus, taking them out at the end can be a hassle. So all that I'm doing in this section is twisting the last two pieces, and what I'm gonna do next is put it underneath the twist. That was because one of them was bigger than the other and I didn't like how it looked going over, so I just stuck it underneath. That is totally up to you. If you decide to do that, it doesn't really matter. This is the finished product of my hairstyle. It was really easy, really simple. I added some hair jewelry and you can do the same. Thank you for watching.